Lesson number one, add a jet. Trust me, lesson number one, the secret to success is to add a jet to any photo to make it better. Okay, this has been tested. Without a jet, you only get 10 likes. With a single jet, 20 likes. With 2 jets, you're up to 50. If you add 4 jets, you can get 100 likes. And ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, if you add as many jets as you want, it increases the number of likes to a photograph. So lesson number one, add a jet. Add a jet. Wait a minute, Russell Brown cheats. I will alter any photo. I have to remind people that I'm a digital artist. I'm probably 25% photographer and 75% artist. And I will do wacky things. Make it shine. You know we can add a jet. Let's make it shine. Boring, 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 boring photo. Boring, boring. So you add another tree. Oh, it's getting better. Oh, I can't add a starburst from my iPhone. So I paste one in. It's getting better. Oh, clouds, getting better. But the foreground isn't the right color. So we tint the foreground. Oh, much better, much better. I think you're getting the idea that I believe in altering images.